Let's go, D.
That's over him, man.
Yes. My brother, what did you make of the beautiful goal that was scored by Kampani Lulu? Yes. Do you think we can still win the league?
Of course.
Yeah, we win the league.
Even World Cup is a Tata, my brother.
World Cup, we are not playing for World Cup, but now Paris is going to take this MTN8.
Yes.
Definitely.
Any cup on offer, Pirates will take
We are going to take anything.
Yes.
Operation Take and Pass.
Yes, we're going to take cash from Sundowns, Maraba Start.
We are going to take everything this season.
Yes.
We are not here to play.
Tango.
We are here to take everything. Operation Take and Pass.
Tata's on, yeah.
We were not even afraid when we came in.
Yes.
We know that we are going to take. We know that we are going to win.
We know we are the best.
This is our cup.
Tango.
I'm protecting this
Tango.
cup. This cup is for MTN8. It's my cup.
Tango. Welcome to Talking Football with you.
I want to say one thing.
Yes.
I saw something today.
Yes.
Tito was so down. The fans started chanting his name.
Yes.
And then he picked up.
He started to
I
pray.
wish we can do this to all the players.
No.
When we see that someone is so down, we lift the spirit, we chant their names. The way we did to Tito, I'm so happy. Overall, I'm happy. Nana must know that Orlando Pirates is not just a name, it's an institution.
Tango. You know football. How did you see the game?
It was my first experience coming here, and then it was, I left with the win.
Yes, I hope you're going to tell you all the 16 or 15 home match of Orlando Pirates.
I mean, maybe.
Tango, follow us on TikTok, Talking Football with D, and okay, Talking Football with D.
Okay.
How are you, my brother?
I'm good at you, my man.
What's your name?
My name is Mr. Nasi.
Yes. How did you see the game today?
The game was beautiful.
Yes.
Even though in the first half we were quite reluctant.
Yes.
But in the second half we were leading now.
Yes.
Coach Otias Pulala, substitutions.
Hey.
Oh,
Yes. And they say when a man is down, kick him. And some but there were one man down.
It's is just a name. So now the name is there today.
Yes.
This is a big name.
Hey, an institution, my
An
brother.
institution, my man. Can you tell your chairman?
Tango!
Remember.
You're excited, man? Who impressed you today?
Very much.
Who impressed you?
Cameron Tensi.
Cameron Denson.
The best.
Okay,
I don't know why they substituted him.
Yes.
Cameron Tensi.
Coach must tell us why he substituted him.
Cameron Tensi.
Nah, we are down for
The
that.
next move we play.
Nah, another
telling you.
level, my brother.
I'm telling you.
And what a beautiful goal by Kampani Lulu.
Hey, Monna.
Hey,
122 minutes.
yes.
We all lost him.
Hey, we thought the penalties were loaded.
Hey, Mfethu, Nana would have been excited.
Hey,
Nana, Pirates is not just a team.
Hey,
It's not just a team.
Hey, it's an institution.
Hey,
What's your name, my brother? Tango, how did you see the game? Benzi. Yes. 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 And there were one man down. There were one man down. They got a red card. And still we couldn't score more goals. So we need it. Then we are going to the semi-final. Sure. Siyadlula. Tango. We'll see. Yes. Yes. Uzo. Tango. Thank you so much, my brother, for talking to us.